Wait! Don't skip this video! Oh my friends, this is your golden chance. People are making $5,000, $10,000, even more per month just from simple ASMR cutting videos. And you can too. In this video, I'll show you how to make those hyper-realistic glass fruit and crystal rock slicing videos that go super viral on TikTok and YouTube Shorts using 100% free AI tools. No money? No problem. No watermark? Yup, I got you. No editing skills? Doesn't matter. From hyper-realistic glass fruits to lava rock slicing, these videos are so addictive you'll want to binge your own content. Still not convinced? Check this out. There's a TikTok account with only 15 posts, but guess what? It already has 170,000 followers and over 5.8 million likes. And one of their videos? Boom! 25 million views. And the best part? Almost no one is doing this on YouTube yet. This niche is literally exploding right now on TikTok and Shorts. If you start today, yes, right now, you can dominate this trend early and ride it all the way to monetization and brand deals. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's go! Step 1. Create the perfect prompt using ChatGPT. Let's start with the brain of our operation, ChatGPT. This tool is going to help us imagine and script our hyper-realistic video scenes. Open up ChatGPT. Now paste in this exact prompt a hyper-realistic AI-generated ASMR video captured in extreme macro detail. A sculpted glass pineapple, vibrant golden yellow with emerald green glass leaves. Its surface is textured with sharp, gem-like facets sitting atop a rustic wooden cutting board under warm, diffused lighting. The translucent body glows softly from within as a precision knife glides through it, cracking the intricate crystalline skin with satisfying resistance. Each slow, deliberate slice produces rich ASMR sounds. Brittle snaps, subtle pops, and smooth inner glass crunches echo gently through the silent, serene space. Just whoa! This prompt is gold. ChatGPT will give you a vivid breakdown. The visuals, textures, lighting, camera angles, the pacing, even the sound design. Want more ideas? No problem. Paste this next. These types of ASMR videos often feature close-up cuts of fruits or rocks made of crystals or lava. Please give me 5 detailed and unique video ideas with synchronized sound and slow macro cuts. ChatGPT will now generate 5 unique concepts like rose quartz, strawberry crystal banana, volcanic lava, rock papaya, frosted glass, kiwi, sapphire cut watermelon. Each one of these is ready to become a viral TikTok or YouTube short. Step 2. Generate stunning images using Piclumen. Alright, now that you've got those delicious ideas, it's time to turn imagination into visuals. Head over to Piclumen AI. Just search Piclumen AI on Google and open the site. Here's what to do. Copy one of your detailed prompts from ChatGPT, paste it into the Piclumen prompt box. Make sure to choose 9:16 aspect ratio. That's perfect for vertical video platforms like Shorts or TikTok. Click Generate and wait just a few seconds. And boom, Piclumen delivers HD, crystal clear, macro detailed images that literally look like they came out of a Pixar movie. Repeat this process for all your ideas. Save each image, we'll animate them next. Step 3. Animate your images into stunning videos. Pixverse plus Magi AI. Oh yes! Now it's time for the real cinematic magic. You've got your crystal clear AI images, and now we're going to turn them into beautiful slicing videos using 2 free tools, Pixverse and Magi AI. Both are beginner-friendly, 100% free, and give you 4K quality results with smooth motion and even subtle ASMR vibes. Option 1. Animate with Pixverse. Pixverse is a beast and super easy to use. Go to pixverse.ai login with Google or Discord. No payment needed. On the dashboard, click on Image to Video. Upload your AI image from Piclumen. In the prompt box, type Animate this image with a close-up, slow-motion slicing effect. The camera should slowly zoom in as the knife slices through the glass fruit with cinematic lighting and ASMR-style sound. Select the cinematic or realism-style set video duration to 5 to 8 seconds. Hit Generate. In about 2-3 minutes, boom! Pixverse gives you a beautiful animated video ready to go viral. Option 2. Animate with Magi AI alternative tool. Want another killer option? Let's talk about Magi AI, another free AI animation platform that's seriously impressive. Head over to magi.ai sign up with Google. Fast, free and easy. From the menu, click on Project, choose Image to Video. Upload your Pixlumen image in the prompt box. Paste something like, create a slow, satisfying close-up slicing animation. The object should be a shiny crystal fruit being cut smoothly in macro detail with subtle motion and natural ASMR ambience. Choose video type. Realistic animation set resolution to 1080p or 4K. Hit Render Magi AI may take 3-5 minutes, but the results are clean, smooth and incredibly realistic. Perfect for high-quality ASMR shorts. Try both tools. Use Pixverse for dynamic cinematic motion and Magi AI for smooth, dreamy slicing. Then pick your favorite version, or even combine them using transitions in CapCut. Now you've got multiple stunning videos to work with, and we're just getting started. Next up, we edit and polish everything like a pro. Step 4. Final video editing in CapCut. Now let's put it all together using CapCut. Free, fast, and beginner-friendly. Open the CapCut mobile app or web version and follow these steps. Import videos, trim the starting or ending frames if needed. Add soft transitions between slices. Add subtle ambient sounds if needed, like soft hums or nature tones. Use text overlays like Crystal Banana or Volcanic Kiwi for dramatic effect export in 1080p or 4K. Boom! You just created a viral-ready ASMR faceless video using 100% free AI tools. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want a part 2 on.